Hello, I'm back from my walk with my Ricoh GR IIIx, and I use a new custom black and white recipe, but I haven't shared it yet, that one. I will do it on the future. And today I'm going to go through the photos I took. So let's start with this one. It goes like a bottle, as you can see, but I quite like the details captured here, the patterns, and that this is out of focus, and I quite like how sharp it is. Yeah, I later noticed the porn star martini title. I'm not drinking alcohol, so I was surprised with this title, but then find it's common. Here it is like some sticker of like a toasted bread, and it says bread tan, and it shows like this a bikini. And I have the car behind out of focus, and I quite like with this recipe how the blacks are depicted. Yeah, this one of my again I quite like taking photos of cups of tea or coffee, and this one goes quite artistic. And again, in black and white, it's become even more interesting in my opinion. Corona Extra, another bottle. I was trying to be mindful. Here is like some street art, and I quite like how the black was depicted. I was aiming for something like that, so I'm happy that the recipe worked. Yes, as I say, I will share the recipe in a future video. Vespas. Some street art again. This is new, this is like a few weeks ago, and I quite like it. This was another one which I took photos a few months ago. This was tiny, but maybe this few centimeters, 2-3 centimeters, it was hard to notice. But I think again in the black and white all these textures came to life. Some stickers on the store. This was kind of below that, CCTV in operation, so maybe they cut me recording the photo. This was a sticker about like a burned face. I don't know if it was burned or it was the sticker this way. Guinness. Maybe it has to be better aligned here. Same here. But I like the texture again and the patterns. So this contrast is what I was looking for. Again, this is too much contrast. I like it. I think it's the irony of it, the art on it. Thanks God, and this guy looks like everything is okay, and it's a mess. I think it's a kind of how it's our reality today. Everything is a mess, and we still have to keep fighting. It's an energy drink and a juice. I like the contrast between them. Yep, I started experimenting a little with kind of the contrast between the two, and I have like I don't measure on a point, I measure on global, and kind of underexpose it, the photo, so this can appear because of the high contrast. Same here, I think this worked well. Kind of like it. It's new experiments for me. Doesn't work always. Same style. Again. This is more normal exposure. And these are, forgot to say, this is straight out of the camera. Kinda like this also. Not, I don't know about the others. Yep, this is one of my favorites. Pack me in your bag. Quite like how the black and white work in this case. Gives me a feeling of calmness for some reason. Yep, this was one of the things I like again, is like this from a fridge or something like that, and this sitting here, and because it was focused here, this start getting some grainy and out of focus on behind, but it's a beautiful texture. I like it. And the contrast, high contrast here. Okay, I'm not sure if I'll keep doing this or if it was only one day experiment. Yeah, this is another, maybe Frida Kahlo, we'll see. But in this case work well also. It's like the black and white, and we concentrate on the texture and beautiful texture on a dress, and this gone for reasons, maybe because the difference between the lighting, this and that. This is like a balloon ice cream as opposed to the cartoon ice cream, or a poster. This one is like, I think it's a contrast again between the bright painting behind that this is the safety thing is down. I like this one because it was a sticker and it was around the plant, a flower. I don't know if it was like the sticker was placed there to be on the center or the painting has gone after, but I quite like it. Again, playing with the like. I think this was like a black doll and came even stronger. That's all. I hope you like it. Let me let me share your thoughts, and if you like that idea, if you want me to do more videos like that. I think that's all for today. As I say, if you like, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.